Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this morning I've got a massive bag from Primark in their summer collection, I suppose you'd call it. I went in there the other day with my friend to just to have a look basically, because I'm going on holiday in about I think 18 or 19 days. And I thought, oh, we'll just have a look and see what they've got, and they had a lot. So I'm just going to show you what I got, because honestly I'm really impressed with Primark at the moment. I never spend this much. So this just proves that I actually really love all the pieces that I bought. It wasn't like, oh, I'll just get that and see. I tried everything on in the shop. That's how dedicated I was. So I'm just gonna open this up, throw everything on the floor, section it, and then I'll show you each piece that I bought. There you go. As you can see, I actually got so much. I got 6 t-shirts, 2 pairs of shorts, 1 bag and 1 dress. I got 2 bottles of this spray that I use all the time, and then also 2 mascaras. And then I didn't realise that they accidentally put me through this top twice. So that's going to be another £7 that I get back when I return it. So actually it's not £80, it's less than £80, which is amazing. I personally think the quality of these tops are amazing, but I'll talk you through that in a second when I've got it all on. Yeah, right, I'll flip the camera back around and show you guys it all on me. Okay, so this is the first 2 items. Got the shorts, which are 12, which are really comfy, really stretchy. I have got shorts already, but they're quite tight, and I don't know, for holiday I just wanted something with a little bit more give, and that I can eat lots of kebabs. So I got these because they weren't expensive. I'll try and put all the prices on the screen as I go, because I quite like seeing that when I'm watching these videos. And then this top I'm absolutely in love with. I actually found it in a different colour first, and then saw that it came in this really nice blue. And I just love the way it gathers at the back. I think it's really flattering, really comfy, quite feminine, but not too girly. I know a lot of things can be sometimes too flowery and pink, and I think this is just a really nice in-between and a great holiday look, personally. I could be wrong, but this is what I like. And I'll put the price of the top here as well, and what size I got, because I was going to try and tell you, but I just can't remember. I think most of the tops are like a 10. The shorts are 12, but I'll just put all the details on the screen as I try things on. Obviously it needs a bit of an iron. I don't usually like buying stuff that fabric needs ironing, but I think I'll deal with the ironing just because I love this top so much. I think it's really cute and really good for hot weather. Okay, so now I'll show you the other top that's exactly the same as this but a different pattern. There you go, so this is the same top but in a different colour. This is the one I originally saw, and I was just like, I love this so much. I think it's really cute. I wouldn't usually go for this. I mean, it's not really flowers. I guess it is, it's like an abstract flower. Yeah, I'm not usually one for going for flowery patterns, but I thought the colours are really nice. It's a bit more abstract, so it's not so much in your face. And I think the style's just really cute. Try and focus, there we go. Really cute, and again, just really flattering and effortless. I really like outfits that you just throw on and it just looks nice with no effort whatsoever. Now on to the next. Okay, I've adjusted the camera a little bit so you can see, and my head's not cut off every time. Yeah, so this is the next t-shirt. I really love it. Put the price and the size here. Really comfortable, really flowy and airy because we're going to Turkey, so it's gonna be like nearly 40 degrees, I think, like really, really hot. The back's quite cute as well. And I got this in 3 different colours because I just thought it was really comfortable. You don't even need to wear a bra, or you could wear like your bikini underneath. It's quite diverse in that way. And the colours were really cute, so I'm just going to show you the next 2. Maybe I could try and do like a side by side. And I'll put me talking like 3 times. I don't know, we can try. So this is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. Okay, I'm going to try that, and I'm going to try have me saying this is number 2 and this is number 3. Wish me luck. I don't know if I'm that good at editing. Oh, my hair's like faded out and it's gone red, and I'm kind of liking it. Maybe I won't re-dye it for holiday. I think I'll leave it. Okay, right, next 2. My next outfit is this really stretchy and really thin cotton top. I think it's cotton. It might be, I don't know what it is. It's this really nice stripy top anyway, with a little pocket on. This is an extra small. I usually would go for like a small or a medium, but because it's supposed to be oversized, I thought I don't really want it that oversized, so I just got an extra small. And then I've got these like bike shorts, which are really comfy. They haven't got pockets, which is a shame, but I got some ones with pockets from Shein, and I really liked them, but these were like £4 or something stupid, so I'll put the prices and sizes of these two pieces here somewhere, so enjoy that. But yeah, I'm really glad I got these. I didn't actually try either of these ones on in the shop, but you know, basic tee, can't really go wrong. It looks massive. Not sure. Oh, there we go. Yeah, just like a loungy. We're in a heat wave at the moment, so it's actually like proper sweaty trying all this clothes. But yeah, I got the bike shorts because they're really good to have under like baggy tees or dresses. I'm going to show you a dress in a second. Just for in the heat, chafing's not fun for your thighs if you've got big thighs. So I like having bike shorts on. And also if it's a bit windy, you don't got to worry about your dress blowing up. So that's why I bought these. I've got some more, but they're a bit longer. I thought these were shorter for shorter dresses, which is cool. Right, now I'm going to show you my dress, which I'll throw on now. And then I just got a bag and that's everything. Okay, so this is the dress. I actually picked it up to go into the changing rooms, not as a joke, but I was like, there's no way this is going to look nice because it looked massive, really baggy and really long. As you can see, it goes all the way down to my knees, which I'm only 5'3", so it probably would be a bit shorter on average height people, but I'm not average height. But I also love this detailing. I think this falls and is like really flattering. The armpits are really baggy as well, which is nice for airflow for in hot weather. And the fabrics, it's quite thick. I don't really know what fabric it is. Can you see if I tap it? Also, how nice is this colour? I love it. It's a bit like my lip colour, and I love that. Yeah, it's like, I suppose like a heavy cotton, but it feels quite like airy and comfortable for hot weather. So yeah, real shocker. Like I did not expect to like this at all. I just really liked the colour, picked it up and thought, oh, we'll try it on. Probably be awful, and I love it. I'll go on my tiptoes so you can see. Do a thumbnail. And there you go, you can see I've got the bike shorts underneath, so really, you're fully covered. You haven't got to worry about anything. If you're going out and you've got to sit on a bike, hey, bike shorts, makes sense. But yeah, I don't know, you know, when you're on holiday, you want to be able to be free and, you know, do what you want and not have to worry about much. So this sort of gives you that freedom to not have to worry about if you're getting on the floor with the kids or, you know, playing on bouncy castle or, I don't know. I got this bag. I'll show you. I just love these, I guess so, is it a tote? I don't know. I thought the colour was quite retro and quite cool. Got a little pocket, and at the moment, like I used to use those plastic reusable bags because I wasn't sure about the cotton ones. And then I got a cotton one, and actually it's so much better. You can carry so much more in it. It's a lot more comfortable, like on your, well, you can put it on your shoulder, whereas holding it in your hand. And obviously it's better for the environment as well. And you look like you're proper prepared, like rather than, oh, hang on, I think I've got a plastic bag there somewhere. You think, oh, I've got my cotton bag. Very eco-friendly. And that is literally everything for my haul today. What else? Yeah, that is it. I got so much. All of that is less than 80 quid, so probably £73 now, because obviously I accidentally got two of the same top, which I'm going to return at some point, probably in the week. So yeah, £73, and I got all of that, which I'm quite impressed with. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that haul. Let me know what other shops you want me to do a haul in, because I love shopping, I'm not gonna lie. This was obviously for my holiday, so I'm gonna be doing a, not pack with me, but prep outfits for me holiday. Because I want to be fully prepared and not take too much clothes. So I'm thinking if I put them into outfits and make sure everything matches, then I can pack as little as possible but still have loads of outfits to wear. And we're going for 10 nights, so I do need quite a bit. Most of what you saw is going to be in the packing. I've got a few other bits from Shein and I think a couple other bits from Primark as well. So yeah, I'll put that all in its own video. And yeah, so leave any like links down below of holiday clothes, because I'm looking at the moment. We've got about 19 days, like I said, so I have got time to order some more stuff, but hopefully I won't have to. But yeah, link anything down below you think would look cute for holiday and I'll have a look. So I'll see you guys hopefully in the next video.